Hello, grade 5 monolingual students. Here is Reader School and I am your English teacher. In the last two videos, we saw how to put the sentence in the past simple and how to make a question. In this video, we will see how to put in the negative form. Good. What is the negative? What is the negative form? Here we have some examples. You will understand this form through these sentences. We read sentence number 1. They don't have a car. They have a big house. Which sentence is in the negative? Yes, it's sentence number 1. They don't have a car. Yes? Is this sentence in the negative? They have a big house? No. Okay? She isn't sad. Is it in the negative? Yes, it's in the negative. The teacher didn't come. Is it in the negative? Yes, it's in the negative. They aren't sleeping. Is it in the negative form? Yes. So what is the negative form? It's when the verb is not done, when the action is not done. For example, eat. I don't eat. The action of eating is not done. I say I don't eat. She doesn't eat. They are not eating, etc. These are or this is or these sentences contain negative form. Okay. Now I will show you another slide in which we will work on together to learn how to make the negative form. Yes, here is the slide. There is a question here. It will help you to put the sentences in the negative. I put in the negative. I put what? I put the sentences. When I say negative, so I'm talking about the verbs. And here I put the verbs in color. Okay? We start here. They visited the zoo last week. They visited the zoo last week. Can you put this sentence in the negative form? Is it easy? Is it difficult? No, teacher. Show me. I will understand. Yes, I will show you. Good. So, ask yourself, where is the verb in this sentence? This is the verb, teacher. Visited. In which tense is it? It's in the past simple. I want to put this verb in the negative. We go to these helping verbs. Don't, doesn't, didn't. According to you, which one of these we should use? Where is the past form in these three words? Don't, doesn't, didn't. All of them are in the negative. But we need what? We need the past form. Why? Because here we have the past form of the verb. Yes? So we don't need do, we don't need doesn't, we need didn't. And we will write didn't here. It's in the negative. I will write didn't for you. Didn't. Okay? Didn't. I will put it in color. For example, I will choose green one. Okay. They didn't visit or visited. No, teacher. It's visit. They didn't visit the zoo last week. Is it easy? Yes, teacher. It's very easy. You try to put this sentence in the negative form. Read here. I ate 3 apples 2 hours ago. I ate 3 apples 2 hours ago. Where's the verb? Yes, it's ate. Which verb is it? It's the verb eat. In which tense is it? It's in the past simple tense. We try to put it in the negative form. So we need or don't, or doesn't, or didn't. We ask ourselves first, where is the verb of the sentence? It's ate. Is it? Good. So, ate, in which tense is it? It's in the past, teacher. So, we should use don't or doesn't or didn't. Of course, we will use didn't. Okay, we choose didn't. Yes, I will write didn't here. Okay. What's missing? What should I have to do? So, I didn't eat. Is it correct? No, teacher. We have to change ate in the infinitive form. What is the infinitive form of ate? It's eat, teacher. Yes, very good. So, I didn't eat 3 apples yesterday or 2 hours ago. I will put it in blue. Good. Now, can you stop the video and put this sentence in the negative form? Yes? Try. Good. So we read the sentence together. My mother tells me a story every day. In which tense is this verb? Or where is the verb here? It's tells. In which tense is it? It's in the present simple, past simple, or present progressive. No, teacher. It's in the present progressive. No, it's not in the present progressive. It's in the present simple. Why? Because it's composed of only one part. Okay, that's why it's simple. Present or past simple? No, teacher, it's in the present simple. Very good. So, we should, or I ask you to put it in the negative form. Good. In which tense is tells? It's in the present simple. We go to don't, doesn't, didn't. Can I use didn't? No, teacher. Why? Because didn't is in the past. And here we have what? We have tells in the present simple. So, what we have to do? Yes, we have to omit this. We have to remove didn't. Why? Because we don't need it. It's in the past and here is the present. So we will use or don't or doesn't. Or don't or doesn't. Can I use don't? We will see. My mother. With which pronoun we should change my mother or we can change my mother? Can we change my mother with they? No. With which pronoun? Yes, with she. What do we say? She don't whether she doesn't. Of course we say she doesn't. Yes, we will take doesn't, not don't. Okay? So, because we have my mother, she doesn't. We will put doesn't here. Doesn't. Okay? Very good. My mother doesn't tells me a story every day. What is the mistake? We have to remove what? Yes, teacher. We have to remove the S. Yes, very good. My mother doesn't tell me a story every day. Why have we put tell? Yes, because we after doesn't, we must put the infinitive. If we have ate, we change it into eat. Visited, visit. Tells, tell. The infinitive of tells, tell. The infinitive of goes, go. The infinitive of went, go. The infinitive of going, go. You understand what is the infinitive? Is the base form. It is the root of the verb. Okay? And we will say here, my mother doesn't tell me a story every day. Very good. There is not here. What is this not? Huh? We will see now together. We read this sentence here. He is doing the homework now. He is doing the homework now. Where is the verb of this sentence? Yes, good. It's is doing. Is doing. In which tense is it? It's in the present simple tense? No, it's not in the present simple. Why? Because it's composed of more than one part. If it is composed of only one part, it will be simple. But here it's two parts, not only one part. So it is progressive or continuous. If you want to call it progressive or continuous, it's the same. And we will say it's the present progressive teacher or it's the present continuous teacher. Very good. So, how can we put this is doing in the negative? Can we say he don't is doing the homework? No. He doesn't is doing the homework? No. He did. No, we cannot say this. So, because we have two parts, we come here and we will add our not. Look here, between is and the ing form, we will write not. What do you think? Is it easy? Yes, teacher, it's very easy. So, when the verb is composed of two parts, the negative, it's very easy. We put not between the two parts in this, between the two parts of the verb. Is it clear? Very good. I will give you some practice. You will understand more. Very good. I like you very much because you are following me. Yes, we move now to some practice. Okay, I will give you sentences to be put in the negative. I read here the instruction. I put in the negative. These words will help you. Do you remember them? Yes, what are they? Don't, doesn't, didn't, not. What is don't? It is the short form of do not. What is doesn't? It is the short form of does not. What is didn't? It is the short form of did not. Okay. If you want to write do not, it's correct. If you want to write does not, sorry, it's correct. And if you want to write did not, it's correct. Okay, no problem. Read this first sentence. Good. We read together. The bird makes a hole in the tree. The bird makes a hole in the tree. You put this sentence in the negative? Yes. What have I told you? First, you have to find the verb. Where is the verb here? It's makes. Good. In which tense is it? It's in the present simple. So where is present simple here? Don't or doesn't or didn't? It's doesn't and don't. Didn't, it's in the past. So we will take or don't or doesn't. Here we have the bird. What is the personal pronoun or subject pronoun of the bird? What is it? It can be changed with it. So what do we say? It don't or it doesn't? Of course we say it doesn't. Yes, so you stop the video and you write the negative form or you put the negative form. You put this sentence in the negative form. Yes, I am waiting for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Time over. Yes. Here is the answer. Very good. The bird doesn't make a hole in the tree. Where is the S here? It was an S here. There was an S here, yes? Where is the S here? Yes, the S is removed because we need the infinitive here. The S goes with doesn't. Doesn't. The bird doesn't make a hole in the tree. We move to, or I give you another sentence. Yes, get ready. 1, 2, 3. I put, it's the same instruction, I put in the negative. We read here, the student went to school early. The student went to school early. When we say negative, so or we have to put don't in the sentence, or doesn't, or didn't, or not. Do you remember when I told you when the verb is formed of two parts we use not? So we find the verb in this sentence. Where is it? Yes, the student went to school early. The verb is went. Can we use not here? No, teacher. Why? Because went is composed of one part, so we don't need not. We need so. Or don't, or doesn't, or didn't. Went. Mm. Yeah? In which tense is went? It's in the past. So, shall we use don't? Doesn't? No, teacher, because they are in the present. So, I will use didn't. Is it? Yes. Why? Because it's in the past and the verb here is in the past. And we will say the student, stop the video and do the sentence. Put the sentence in the past simple. The verb, I mean. Yes, good. 1, 2, 3. When you finish, you come back and you check your answer. Have you stopped the video? Yes, teacher. Now, come back. Okay. Yes, the student didn't go to school early. Teacher, why is it go? Because we need the infinitive after didn't. We cannot say didn't went, we say didn't go. As we said before, do you remember? Good. The student didn't go to school early. Good. You have another sentence now? The student goes to school early every day. It's the same sentence. Here is the past, but here is in the present simple. The student goes to school early every day. We have to put this sentence in the negative. Can we use not? No, teacher. Why? Because the verb is composed of only one part. So we don't use not. So what do we use? Or don't, or doesn't, or didn't. Which one shall we use? Yes, we don't use didn't, we don't use don't, because here we have the student. He. With he, we say he goes. Yes. Now, in the negative, we will say, yes, very good. I am hearing you. Yes, repeat. Very, very good. Excellent. The student don't. No, teacher, it's not don't. Didn't. No, it's not didn't. Yes, very good. It's does not or doesn't. What is doesn't? It's does not. Yes, very good. So the student doesn't go. Yes, not goes. The student doesn't go to school early every day. The student doesn't go. The student doesn't go to school every day. We check. Yes, very good. The student doesn't go to school early every day. You have another sentence. The students go to school early every day. Here we have the student and here we have the students. He goes. They go. The students, they go. So what is the negative of this sentence? The student doesn't or didn't. Do we use not? Of course, we don't use not. Why? Because the verb is composed of only one part. And we will say, yes, very good. The student don't go to school early every day. Don't go. Or we can say also do not. Okay? Okay, the students don't go to school early every day. Very good. Yes, we have other examples. Come, we will see them together. Good. I put in the negative. We have here these words to help us to put in the negative, to put the sentences in the negative. I mean, yeah? Don't equals do not. Doesn't equals does not. Didn't equals did not. If you want to say don't, it's correct. If you want to say do not, it's correct also. We read the two sentences and we put them in the negative. I will count till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can stop the video. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Time is over. Yes, we read the sentence. The first one, the lion is eating grass. The second one is the lion eats grass. What is the verb in the first sentence? Yes, it is eating. The verb in the second sentence, it's eats. Eats. This verb is composed of one part and this verb is composed of, no, this verb is composed of two parts, teacher. Yes, good, sorry. And this verb is composed of one part. So, what is the negative form of the first sentence? The lion is eating grass. Is eating grass. Yes. We will write what? 1, 2, 3. Check your answer. Very good. The lion is not eating grass because we have two parts and we put not between is and the verb plus ing. Okay. We move to the second one. The lion eats grass. The lion eats grass. Eats in the present, is in the present simple. It's composed of one part, so we don't use not. We will use one of these. Okay, you have already done this. Now we check it together. 1, 2, 3. Very good. The lion does not eat grass. Or we can also, the lion doesn't eat grass. Look here, we have does not or doesn't. Okay, as you like. If you like does not, it's correct. And doesn't, it's correct. Good. I want you to work on these sentences. If we change the line here and you write it, the lions, what will we have? We will have here. We say the lions are eating. The lions are eating grass. Yes. The negative form, it's what? The lions are not eating. The lions are not eating. We can say also aren't. The short form of are not, aren't. Good. And if we change this sentence here, the lion eats grass, we will put the lions eat grass because we have the lions, they eat. Okay, it eats, they eat, the lion. It was like this, just 1 minute. It was the lion eats. What is the pronoun of lion? It. For the animals. He, she, it for people. But it for the animals. With it, the verb takes an S. Yes or no? But if we put the lions, plural of the lion, so what do we say? The lions eat. They eat. Yes or no? So the lions eat grass. Yes. What is the plural form? The negative form, sorry. The negative form of the lions. The lions eat grass. It will be like this. The lions does not or do not. Of course, do not, because we have they. The lions is they. So the lions do not eat grass. You can say this, or you can say also, as I told you, do not or don't. Yes, and I have finished my lesson for today. I hope that it was beneficial for you. Thank you very much. But before forgetting, I advise you to make a lot of sentences. You make at least 5 sentences, 5 by 5, okay? And you send them to the teacher through WhatsApp, or you bring them to the classroom. I will be very proud of you. Thank you very much.